I dropped and damaged a brand new $3,000 lens, but it only cost me $50 to have it repaired. Welcome to my vlog where I discuss photography and business, but not limited to the business of photography. My name is Dajuan Jones, and I'm a full-time professional wedding and portrait photographer based in North Carolina. Today, I want to talk about insurance, and as dry as that sounds, you definitely want to hear about this because it's awesome. Why? Because it's one of the many benefits that you'll receive for being a member of the Professional Photographers of America. Okay, so let me tell you what happened. While I was photographing a wedding, I was preparing for the couple to enter the wedding reception. I was swapping out my 70-200 for a shorter lens. As I heard the DJ making an announcement that the couple was about to enter, I quickly placed the 200mm lens in a pouch and then hustled into the ballroom. Unbeknownst to me, the lens fell out of the pouch, hitting the cement floor, damaging the barrel. I didn't even realize it until I saw a guest holding the lens while I was photographing the wedding party entering the reception. The impact damage made it too difficult to later attach that lens to the camera body. So that Monday, I contacted Sony Pro Support and initiated the lens repair. Being on the East Coast, they had me send the lens to Precision Camera, who informed me that the repair cost was going to be $672. And that was after the discount for being a Sony Pro Support member was applied. So just after spending $3,000 on this brand new lens, I needed to come up with another $672 to have it repaired. That's where the Professional Photographers of America, or just PPA for short, enters this story. You see, PPA has a ton of member benefits. Yes, there is education and lots of it, but there is also insurance, and several of those. PPA's membership includes data loss and dissatisfied clients and photography equipment insurances. Now, in 2021, PPA improved the equipment and camera gear insurance, which they call PhotoCare, to not only include the loss of gear, for example, your gear being lost or stolen, but now includes repair of gear. And they added the repair of gear at no increase in the membership fee. PPA's PhotoCare covers the repair of photographic equipment with just a $50 deductible. I photograph 40+ weddings every year. Things happen, and I've become accustomed to having things repaired or replaced. But now I have help covering the cost of photography gear-related accidents, and here is my first check. I filed a claim, and several weeks later, I received a check for $622. That's the cost of the lens repair minus the deductible, all because I'm a member of PPA. Okay, disclosure. This vlog is not sponsored by PPA. I'm just a very satisfied member sharing one of the best nuggets of advice I can give to fellow photographers. Join PPA and opt into PhotoCare. If you're not a member of PPA, use the link below. On the sign-up page, there is a gray button labeled Search. Click it and enter my name, Dajuan Jones, as your referral. I'll receive $25 for the referral, and you, my friend, will receive $35 off your first year of membership. Once you're a member, be sure to opt into PhotoCare at no additional cost, and you too can have your photo gear repaired for just $50.